Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's. Hey, look, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel. We don't tell people how to live them life. If you want to take drugs, that is your business, or whatever you want to do with your life. But we totally do not support people in taking drugs. If you know you cannot manage it, don't take it. Some people, for various reasons, they take drugs, especially in the United States of America. Most people that take drugs in America is a way to escape the harsh reality of living amongst some of the wickedest people them on earth. The rich people them, yes. And that's the reason why most American, whether white, black, Spanish, or they take drugs, is a way to escape the harsh reality. Because to live in the richest country in the world and you suffer, that is the way that's the way of these people. Their pain, that's how them use it. The drug is a form of escape for them. So you won't believe what happened to this man after he bought weed from a Jamaican drug dealer. Yeah, man, boy, the man get, I don't know what in this spliff, but I'm gonna let you watch it. You watch, you listen, and you decide, because this is something that it's hilarious and it's really, really spooky. Yeah, you understand? But I don't know how people do it, but as we tell you, say, today we have a story that will leave you on the edge of your seat. An African American man purchased a spooky spliff, yeah. A term in a Jamaican language, mean weed. You understand? From a Jamaican drug dealer at a gas station. And you won't believe what happened to him after he smoked it. Yeah, after him smoked the spliff. And in America, weed is legal in some states of the United States, but when this man woke up, his transformation was straight out of an alien movie. It's unbelievable and utterly shocking. So, let's be clear, we are not here to promote any form of drug use, whether natural or synthetic. Drug destroy, people's mind, body, soul, and family. Particularly in America, the United Kingdom, Canada, you understand? Especially in our black community, because when the same black people like Buju Banton will sell coke, black people normally buy them. It destroys the black community now, especially in England and America. Black people it affect the most. I don't know white people, because white people don't buy crack, cocaine and them thing. White people have them thing with them fentanyl and all kind of thing. And them for them drugs dangerous, because sometimes for them drugs will explode and mash up all the neighborhood. So them do it, Them when they methamphetamine. And some dangerous people, yeah. So the white people and tell them I do not them go hard, Yeah. So the unfortunate truth is that many people in first world countries turn to drugs to escape the harsh reality of living among some of the most ruthless individuals on the planet. What you mean? You can't stay there. You think rich people are nice people, them. All them think is awful. Take from the poor and get richer. Rich people not affect the life of rich people, poor people, them affect, It's just like how even right now, everything in our world rise up, and then them all say a pandemic. And the poor people create the pandemic, and them create it, And them all make excuse here the pandemic. Where the pandemic do for increase the price of goods and service. I just wicked, them people are wicked. So it's at all times poor people cannot get a break in this world. No matter where you turn. And that's how the system is designed from creation. And it's not going to get any better. So any guy I tell you this or I tell you that. And that's how it's going to steer forever. Unless look here, whether or not you want to believe, some people is going to make it into that in between rich and poor. Only some. And but I feel like say because you understand, you can't educate it to you and you still don't make it in there, you know. Because remember say them have to select you, you know. You have to be part of the selection process, you know. No, but I think say you just get there because you understand, you have to be part of the selection process. Because when them select you and them find out say you're not a part of them agenda, you can't go no further. You no matter how you qualify. So you understand. It's just like how you know, you have a Buju Banton where I sell coke. You see Matthias coke and him not ask for forgiveness. Yes, you understand, and you have other Rasta man, you know, out there, Louis Culture and all of these men and Everton Blender and even although Junior Reid, you can you know Junior Reid never do any song, you know, where I promote criminality and not honestly I don't even remember Junior Reid if he do no song bigging up Sandakan, although Sandakan had his passport and you understand what I'm saying. But to this date, some people say, boy, some people from Waterhouse who knew Junior Reid back then say that although Sandakan had his passport and I try to go America, Junior Reid had no option but you know him ask him fee you understand or else him would have dead, so and him silent on it. And you know when I get one of them thing and them say, boy, you can't, you know, if you talk and live, talk and dead, silent, shut your mouth and live. So maybe other and him Junior Reid never address it. So and you never hear my promoter, you know, say promote drugs or anything like that. But apart from weed, which is natural, you understand. So as you know, as we continue the journey with this video, you know, so the unfortunate truth is that many people in first world countries, you know, them turn to drugs to escape the harsh reality of living among some of the most ruthless individuals on the planet. And you know they are filthy rich and utterly indifferent to the struggle of ordinary people in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada and other developed nations. In Jamaica, you don't really have no so-called addict like what you are seeing in America and England and these places. Apart from the girl that that you see we had show you, who's hooked on cocaine. So many of my fellow Jamaicans, you understand, yeah, walk and live, talk and dead, yeah. I just saw it going on Jamaican culture, you understand. So you have to remember that. So hey, look here. So we are making listen to this man, you know, and no one will listen to him, you know. We want you to look at him and you're going to see. You understand what I'm saying? It's not we don't know if it's a parody or anything like that, but we want you watch, you listen, and you decide. Yeah, man, you are gonna see this man for yourself and look at him and listen what he's saying. So when you buy, as he's telling you, so when you buy your drugs, not because of Kirkland Salmon, you know, the Kingston 13 drug lord, yeah, Kingpin who sell coke. Yeah, man, you know, across the courthouse upstate in Newburgh, New York. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
If the nigga ain't in your contacts, don't never buy no weed from the gas station, bro. If the nigga ain't in your contacts, don't never go to the gas station, bro. I went up there at 11 o'clock last night, tried to give me some weed, bro. I smoked that shit, woke up, my motherfucking eye was right here, and my other eye's still right here. Explain, bro. I got to go look for this nigga, bro. What the fuck did you sell me, bro? Look at me, bro. I'm hideous.
Well, I don't know if this is satire or what, but boy, the man look weird. You see the man say, he's the one that explained it to us, you know. So this man, you know, him go buy weed, you know. You see what I'm to him after him smoke it. You see the man, how the man just transforming at him some zombie. Why you can't even explain that, you understand? So many of our fellow Jamaicans who migrated to these countries abandon the principle of one cocoa, full basket. Yeah, so you know the idea that slow and steady progress lead to success. Instead, they chase quick riches, even if it means risking prison or deportation. For them and their communities, trying and failing is better than not trying. So them rather you come afar and you try to sell drugs and, you know, because when the people them sell drugs and make money in them, some of them really, when them go back them stay afar in some of them and them help people in a community And then you have others now when them make money now, them all them do is buy gun like Rick Dick and all these guys and charge of badness and create chaos and kill people. And look on all this youth when him chicken back now with charge of badness and Mark Gold and all of them use this youth for go kill him anti-husband. All no chicken back no berry. You understand? So the idea of the cell is steady progress lead to success. Them ain't that. Them want quick riches right now. So when them when these men know when them in a foreign country and them sell drugs and make money and send back and so them see them as hero, but hey, you see them get deported and have nothing. But people start say, yeah, you in that foreign man, you waste your time and all of these things. But the thing is that now the reason why our people are like that in Jamaica have this mindset of criminality is because of the politician, the governments them over from 1972, in which them don't Jamaican people know say, look, obeying the law, doing the right thing is the right thing, but no, them don't do that. They make it, you supposed to, they make Jamaicans feel like Jamaica are the capital for the world and everything what happens in Jamaica, the world accept it, which is wrong move. It's not like that. Only Jamaica alone in the Caribbean operate like that. And see right now, we are get backlash. See all right now, today, June 9th, see them kill all June 8th, see them kill all Jamaican in a Guyana because he might bring badness to them over there, man, shot him and kill him. I just saw it go. You understand? So for them and their community, them say, boy, at that time mindset. And it's a result of 52 years of indoctrination where our people have been conditioned, cultivated, and socialized to adopt a criminal mentality. Yeah, from 1972 it started. I don't care what I have to say. Before then, it wasn't exist. That wasn't a part of our culture, criminality. Remember, so me have parents too. Yeah, you understand what I'm saying? Me not drop from the sky. Me have parents and me have relatives and me have family and me have friends, elders. You understand? So this is not the fault of the individuals, but a failure of the Jamaican government, which has controlled our economy, culture, and education system from all these years. So then now you have this organization named Jamaican for Justice, which is an arm of the PMP criminal organization. They're the one that empower our people them to commit crime because it benefits them. Because once the people them know, so them have a lobby group that defend them. They might commit crime because there's a benefit for them to commit crime, which is wrong. We don't have any agency or any organization in Jamaica to discourage our youths from commit crime. And make them know say, look, only in Jamaica these things are normalized. In other society in other world and other countries, it's not. People shun you and you're going to be treated as you're going to be treated indifferent. You understand? You're going to be treated with indifference. And these people them feel like, like whenever in America a white person talk like a Jamaican and behave like them, feel like, boy, them love it, them don't love it, them a mock it, them a jeer, laugh off away. When them ask about shut on all of them things, you think because them love you, they make it's a fetish. Them don't care about you. Them don't say you're a dummy because decent people don't behave like that. So at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we firmly say no to drugs and yes to sobriety, education, love, and natural, responsible living. Yeah. So hey, look here, if a man wants to smoke him weed and it no bother him do it because that's a part of him sacrament and weed a natural thing. You understand? But some people body based on insulin and all kind of thing. Because if you body not produce a certain amount of insulin in it, you can't manage weed in it. Okay, we affect your liver, your kidney and all of these things. Yeah, some people you can't, so not everybody weed is make for. And what happened on them thing there, them people that sell weed now and spliff and them sell it with season, with all kind of thing, where them put all dead, what them call it? Them used to bomb dead. All that Jamaican people in a smoking and them feel it cool. Oh, on God earth, and then them have all some people where go and dig up the bone of dead people and them smoke it. Oh, you do that. Man, let's work together, man, to build a brighter, drug-free future. You understand? So, this African-American who bought the spooky spliff, the weed from the Jamaican drug dealer at a gas station. So, you have seen what happened to this man after he smoked the weed. So weed legal in most states in America. So, and this man, he wake up. And boy, you can see the man, But I mean, I know all when I reach down the sun, you understand? You know, see it. So I don't, boy, I mean, I know all that happen. So as you know, we are not here promoting any form of drug use. Yeah, we not. You understand? Because as we tell you already, said drug destroy people's minds, bodies, soul, and family, especially in America. And we are talking about drugs. We are talking about drugs our people make. We're not talking about natural thing. Natural thing are not drugs. And everybody can manage it and them thing there. Even our tobacco, and everybody can smoke tobacco and them thing there, because some tobacco strong. It's just like all even cigarettes. Some people can't smoke craving it. They have to smoke Mataran because it's mental. Craving it next closest thing to you can even a man where you know bills spliff and weed and them thing there in Jamaica. You'll never catch him use Mataran for mix him weed and him spliff. He might use craving here. Craving here, you know, tobacco, but you don't know you have all kind of addicted things in it, you understand, for destroy you. Because you get addicted to it. So the reason why as we tell you already, the reason why most people in our first world countries them are hooked to drugs, this is the way of escaping the harsh reality of living among some of the wickedest people on earth, who are greedy, filthy rich, and them care zero about them own people. And I just saw it go. Whether or not you want to believe it. Many of our people them migrate from Jamaica and come to America, and most of them don't see so the only way them can make any form of life is through drugs. And the reason why that happen is because them don't teach the Jamaican youths them growing up, so education is paramount. And first you have to love yourself and then you will love others. No, that no exists in Jamaica. No, love no exists in our culture. And you understand, a man only love himself and him family and him friend. He no love nobody else. You can't, that's not love. You understand? Love supposed to be, you're supposed to love everyone. You respect, you understand what I'm saying? And you think, although the Bible tells us if you love your enemy and them thing, yeah, you love your enemy from afar, but you know, when it's time for you to defend yourself, you have to defend your life. I just saw it go. So we are telling you now what the Jamaica Young Police Channel, so just be careful where you buy your spliff. Yeah, those who are buy, because you know, say weed is legal in most states in America. You understand? We don't smoke and we don't drink, because we don't like, you know, we don't like any time, you know, we find ourselves in a different sphere. You understand what I'm saying? It's just all about natural living. And that's how we promote. Well, we just hope that virgin there, hope him get better, you know, from him stupor. Boy, I tell you, you know, the man, they mash him up and them things. But I just saw it go. So, you know, when you buy drugs, remember say it's illegal, so you don't know what the man them are putting in it. Because the drug dealer want you to hook on them drugs, because he want you to continue to buy and grow in business. I just saw it go. Because whether or not you want to believe, you know, people who sell drugs, they are entrepreneur, you know, because risk. Anything for do with profit, you have to willing to accept risk. So whether or not you want to believe it, people who sell drugs, they are entrepreneur, they are business people too. Yes. Only thing that their business are illegal. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.